Normal Unlimited here. Today we'll be reviewing a new money making app. This app is called Panel App. With this app, it's very easy to make money. All you have to do is just install it, sign up, and leave it, and you will start making money. So without further ado, let's get into the app. This app, when you just download it, all you have to do is sign up with either Facebook or your Google account. As you can see, I have points, and just now I have received more points. As you can see at the bottom, it says no new surveys. So that simply tells you that the surveys is a way in which you can rack up points to cash out and earn gift cards or get PayPal cash. So let's move to activity. At this page, you can see how you have earned your points, and this shows the points you have gained in the last 7 days. And way down at the bottom, you see what you have done with the points. So as you can see, I entered some sweepstakes. Here's a sweepstake in which I entered for $50 via PayPal cash, $50 Visa card, $50 Amazon gift card, and more. So get back from the top. Another way in which you can earn points on this app is through referrals. They have different referral stages. I am at the rank 1, which is beginner, but you can rack up more points by using referrals. As you can see, this is my total amount of points, and I will now show you where you can go to redeem these points for different awards. Here is the all prizes tab, where you can see all the prizes that you can receive by exchanging for points. So here we'll now go to the sweepstake tab. At here you can enter a contest in which many persons also can enter, and when you enter once, if you are chosen, you can win the reward for that sweepstake. So here are the different rewards and the different points allocated to them. So as you can see, there are many ways, many sweepstakes in which you can cash out for your points. One thing to make sure though, even if you enter into these sweepstakes, it doesn't guarantee that you will earn the reward. So I would not take this very serious. And here you can see you also can enter sweepstakes for an Xbox One or a PS4 and a $100 Amazon gift card. So here is the guaranteed section. In this section, if you accumulate a lot of points, you can get gift cards that you will you will guarantee to be receiving. So here, but one downfall in this section is that you need a lot of points. As seen in the sweepstakes sections, you have things you can get for points as low as 15 points, but here in the guaranteed section you need tons of points, and the lowest in this section is just 2,000 points. So you need to have a lot of points to get in this section. So here is the Panel App. Let's see how it works section. So as you can see, you earn points, get rewarded. Welcome to your new home for rewards and sweepstakes. Take surveys, earn points, and redeem prizes, all for free. Boost your earning potential. Refer a friend and earn a portion of their daily location points. The more you refer, the faster you gain points. So in summary, this app is just an app where you can take surveys and refer and earn from different persons and the easiest way to earn points is just by leaving it on your phone. And this is because you earn points due to your location. So if you just leave this on your phone, it will just rack up points in which you can cash out for different rewards and gift cards. So guys, we have come to the end of the video. Leave a like and leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.